Here's the hiccups, watch.
Turn it towards the other side of it. No. Towards the end.
Nico, you do it.
Maybe they blew open. It's impossible. They weigh about 800 pounds each. Did you think this way in that? Careful.
She has the hiccups. Feels so funny. Putting this on Facebook too. Look at that.
Are you okay?
Morgan, you okay?
I don't think so.
You got the hiccups? Yeah? Look at that. You have no idea how weird this feels.
Oh my goodness.
Good Lord, Morgan. Well, you can't hold your breath. You're not even breathing yet. Babe, scare her.
Boo.
No. You failed. Never in my life have I seen a baby get this bad of a hiccups. Look at that. Oh dear. Whoop. Okay, well, I think 2 minutes of hiccuping, almost 3 minutes of hiccuping is not very fun to watch. But it is for me because it's my belly, so how I get over it. Alright, bye.